They're all here. Morning, yo. Today is very sunny in Atlanta. All my babies are still here. I forgot to water because they're living outside with my patio, and I'm about to bring them maybe sometime next week. They're gonna stay in their grow tent nursery, like the grow tent. How about the grow? Hold on, just hang on. Jeez. Hold on. I just want to show you how my alocasia is growing, and she's doing pretty good. And this is another one that I rescued. She's doing pretty good also, but she just needs water. And this one needs really water. Sorry, baby. There you go.